In this episode, the yarn score from Amazon and what I'm making with it, free yarn from Walmart, a mystery bag, and a cute little kitty cat pattern that I may or may not be giving away at the end of this episode. Hi everyone, my name is Diane and this is My Pink Bathtub Knits. Welcome. If you're new, I'm glad you could join me today, and if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate your support. I live in Canada in the province of Manitoba, smack dab in the middle of Canada. I live just outside the city of Winnipeg on a almost 2.5 acre lot. We love it out here. In fact, we have a garden this year. I just have to share this with you. I grew this. I can't wait to eat it at lunch. I tried doing cucumbers before in a back field and we couldn't get water out there and they didn't do well. But now in our raised beds, they are flourishing. What am I making? What am I knitting on today? Well, first of all, I'd like to say hello to Angela from My Precious Yarnery. And I'd like to thank you for giving me this tip about this yarn. It was a 3-pack on Amazon.ca. This beautiful yarn called Super Saver Retro Stripes. It was a 3-pack for $19.99. I have seen this yarn quite a bit online. I've often seen it with people using either their Centro or their Addy machines making hats with it. It is a self-striping yarn. It's 100% acrylic, of course, and it has 5 ounces, 236 yards. So it was a 3-pack. I've never seen it in the stores. When I saw it on one of your episodes, Angela, I literally paused it, went to Amazon, bought it, and then came back and finished watching. So thank you. And I am not normally the type to rip open a factory sealed bag of yarn, but I knew exactly what I wanted to make with it. And what I'm making on it is, it's actually an original pattern of mine, kitty cats. They are stuffed cats. Here's an example of one. I usually use self-striping yarn for it. And I just stuff it with polyfill. It's like a little, you can make it in various sizes. You can make it actually as a pillow if you want to do it with really thick, chunky yarn. And my pattern is on Ravelry. I'm on Ravelry as My Pink Bathtub. Honestly, I don't frequent that site very often, but I do have a few paid patterns on there. And as a gift to all of you for watching this, if you are a knitter, I am going to give you some instructions and guidelines on how you can win this pattern for free today on this episode. So keep listening, and I'll do a little draw, and I will email you the PDF. I just ask that if you aren't a knitter, you're welcome to give it to someone who is, but please don't multiple share it because it is a paid pattern. So that is the kitty cat. There's actually information on how to do the tail 2 ways, because sometimes I found when I was using the striped yarn, I would like one side better than the other. So that is that. And I am thrilled with this yarn. So here's why I like Angela. Here's the 3 top reasons I like Angela. She's a crocheter and I am a knitter, but number 1, she's Canadian, eh? Fantastic, Canadian. Number 2, she has a beautiful yarn room. And number 3, are you ready for this? She has chickens. So she recently had some mystery bags that she was selling to raise some funds to expand her chicken coop or her chicken run. And I was all over it. You know me, and mystery bags are not my friends usually, but I'm totally open-minded now to trying new things. And so I ordered one from her and it just arrived. So I'm going to open it with you now. So she has ice yarn, and I've never ever purchased or worked with ice yarn, so I was excited about that. She did mention a couple different types that she may be putting in. She also mentioned that there would be enough to do projects with, which I thought was really great, as opposed to getting one ball here and one ball there. So I don't know if she still has them on her channel for sale, but I'm going to link her channel name below. It's My Precious Yarnery, and you could always check her out. So without further ado, let's open this up, and I apologize for the crinkling sound. And I want to be careful. I have my sharper scissors today. She also is a bit of a rural girl, which I appreciate because I am one too. Ooh. Okay. Wow. I'm just going to put it on the ground here. The first ball is from Ice Yarns, and it looks like there's 3 of them here. It's a lovely blue. It feels really soft. 50% cotton, 50% acrylic, so that's quite nice. And it is from Ice Yarns. It is a 3-weight, and there's 140 meters in each. I think there's just 3. So 3 of those. Those are lovely. I've actually been getting more into cotton lately, so that's going to be interesting to see. There is quite, oh, maybe I should open my little card. Cute little card from her, My Precious Yarnery. Made with love. We are winging it here. Diane, thank you for your support. Hope you enjoy your mystery bag, Angela. Thank you, Angela. Oh, stitch markers. I love these little organza bags. Now, I don't know if you make these, Angela, or if you have someone make them. It's one with like glasses, which is hilarious because I wear glasses. I don't know if these were hand-picked for me or not. One with a heart. I don't know how good these are showing up. I don't generally use stitch markers, but I am planning to make a sweater this winter, so I think they're going to come in handy. Here's another one. These are gorgeous. Thank you so much. Let's see what else we have. And this is, wow. Oh, I got another 3-pack of ice. I did mention to her that I did not have any ice yarn. Oh, this is soft. I've never tried ice yarn, so it looks like it might all be ice yarn. Now this is, I don't know if they go by numbers or what. I'm gonna have to, it's beautiful. I'm gonna have to look. This is small writing. 44% acrylic, 56% polyester. And this is a 4-weight, and this is quite lovely. 5mm needle recommendation. I'm excited about this. So I got three balls of this. So far I'm loving the colors. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got a 4-pack of this ice yarn. I'm probably going to seal them back up again because that's what I do. This looks like it's a 4-weight. Another beautiful color. And you know what I appreciate is these colors all kind of go together. This is called Softly Baby. This is one of the ones she mentioned on her channel. Sorry, friends, talk amongst yourselves. It says a 3-weight, but it seems rather thick for a 3-weight. This could almost be a 4-weight in my opinion, till I start working with it. This is lovely. 50% acrylic, 50% polyamide, 219 meters per ball. So I got 4 of them. And the last one, and I already like this without even looking at it. I love this. Love this marled look. I really like this. Melagio print. So maybe it comes out in a different 100% premium acrylic. This has got chickens, Angela, written all over it. It is 165 meters per ball. There is 4 of them in here. 100% acrylic. 5-meter size recommended needle for knitting, 5 to 6 millimeter for crochet. And this is Hobie yarn. It says Hobie.com on it. Another place I haven't ordered from yet. I'm a little nervous about ordering from some of these places with their... Hobie seemed okay with their shipping, but you know, then you got to pay duty on top of it. So I'm a little on the fence about that, but I'm glad to have the opportunity to try this yarn. So thank you. That is my mystery bag. And I tell you, I actually really like everything in it. So I appreciate that. And the last little find I want to tell you about is actually a Walmart order. But you know what? Let's jazz this up a bit and let's do the little giveaway for the free knitting pattern for this cat. Let's do that first because it's a secret. I'm not going to mention it in the episode notes or anything really. So we'll see what happens. And then my next episode, I'll draw the winner and we'll email each other. So this is a knitted pattern, which looks like this. I mean, you got to print it yourself and it doesn't come with the plastic sleeve, but you know what I'm saying. It's on Ravelry. And I would like you to like this video. I would also love it if you were a public subscriber so I knew that you were, you know, checking me out. So public subscriber, like the video, and maybe mention something with the word cat in it in your comment. Leave a comment. So like, subscribe, leave a comment with the word cat, and I'm just going to probably, because I don't have a lot of comments usually, write down the name and do a paper draw, old school paper draw in my next video. So good luck. And my final thing I want to talk to you about is Walmart. So Walmart has some decent sales on basic commercial acrylic yarn from time to time. And I will go from acrylic yarn to, I'm starting to get into hand-dyed yarn, so that's going to be a thing for me. So during the pandemic, where I worked, there was a Walmart very close by, and I kind of got into the habit of ordering my groceries online and picking them up on my way home and popping open my trunk and buying lots of dried goods and just milk and eggs and stuff from Walmart. So I have like an online account and I've ordered stuff through mail before. So I always get coupons and stuff. So I ended up getting a coupon for $10 off if you spend $100. And because I haven't been working, I haven't been really going to Walmart, but we needed things like basic things like shampoo and some other items that are not food related. So I put in an order and I had $100, but I thought, I'm going to look and see what they have for yarn. And so I found something. I found this. I have so much to talk about with this, but first of all, this was marked down on their Walmart.ca. I don't know what it's like in the States, for $3.37 each. Now I'm hoping this is a continual ball of yarn and it's not in pieces. I think it is. I find when you look at this, it looks like it's pulled like one ball. I find the packaging very bizarre and a huge waste of paper. But when I saw this color, I thought right away the different varying shades of browns would be really good to make dolls with, like skin tones for dolls. $3.37. So when I clicked to add it to my cart, it said that you have to buy a minimum of 3. And I did, which was $10. So I got this for free, if I want to justify my purchase. So I ended up getting 3 of them. They are kind of a giant, again, waste of packaging, but I will use this. This is just 100% acrylic yarn. It's a Red Heart Super Saver yarn. I've used it before. It does soften up once you wash it. And free yarn, in my opinion. So thank you for watching. Enter the giveaway for the pattern if you've watched this entire video. Comment, like, subscribe, public subscriber, and we'll do the draw next time. I'm gonna go eat my cucumber now. Bye for now, everyone. I hope you are enjoying whatever sort of fiber arts you are working on, whether it's knitting, crochet. We're all melded together with the love of yarn here. So take care. I'm going to show you my garden on my way out here. So see you soon. And thanks again, Angela. Check out her channel. Bye now. Our lovely raised bed garden. We just started this last year. We added a couple more, so now we have 4 boxes. So we have potatoes and cucumbers and peas, carrots and red peppers and onions, and beans. Oh, and there's the dump truck.